So how do you search for apps on the iPad? Let me talk about it and show you a couple of ways how you can do it. If this is your first time being here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so first of all, for me, the quickest way to search for apps is to just be on the home screen and swipe down from the middle of the screen as such, which activates this spotlight search, or it's just basically a search. And you can look up not only apps, but also some random things, right? So you also have like app suggestions, which you might want to click on, but you might look up something like, I don't know, Safari or whatever else. But this spotlight search also allows you to search things on the App Store, on the internet generally, and this is like a place where you can even type in math equations or conversions of currencies or and stuff like that, right? So it's for multi-purpose thing, this search field. Whereas if you go back to the home screen and swipe all the way to the right and go to the app library and either click on the search or swipe down again, this search is only going to go through your list of downloaded apps. So if you only want to look up your apps, just go to this section and every single app you have downloaded and currently use will be able to be shown right here. So that is how it would work. For more suggestions and getting to apps quicker, I also like to use this widget on the home screen, which is technically the Siri suggestion widget, and it just should suggest the apps which the iPad thinks I'm about to use at that time of the day and based on my patterns. So I also like that to find my apps quicker. But that would be about it from me. I really hope that I can help you out with this. Subscribe for more tips and straight to the point tutorials like this one, and I hope to see you later in other future videos as well.